Anyway, I have a 2001 PT Cruiser, and with this megaphone I put this on the power steering pump. Obviously it was not the idler pulley that was the problem, but I put this on the power steering pump. This thing, a screwdriver with a little thing on it, kind of, so you could hear, you know, the vibration. And I tried to put it on the compressor, but it's hard to tell. You can't really tell much about where the sound is coming from. But what I did notice that I'm not really sure about is I noticed that the compressor, there was a part on there that looked like it's wobbling, and I think that's what's making the noise. There was something around. It looked like there should have been like a rubber spacer in between there, and I think what happened is the spacer fell out, and now the inside of the compressor is hitting the edges and wobbling, you know, wobbling around. Here, I'll show you what it looks like. So anyway, so there's the compressor, and you know, I thought maybe this might be, you know, normal, but see this thing, this thing moves from side to side, from one side to the next. It's kind of hard to do here, but I mean, it rotates. Now I don't know if that's supposed to do that, but it's hitting, and it appears that this is spinning around and it's hitting from side to side. But see here, look, you can push it. Here, I'll push it up. See here. See, you can clearly see that. I'll pull it down. So I think that there's obviously something wrong with the compressor. I'll try it once more. I'll just push this up with my finger. It looks like there's a space in between here. I can stick my finger. It feels rubbery. So it looks like there was something inside there, and it must have came out. Yeah, you can see that clearly. Yeah, so I think that's what the problem is. That really kind of sucks because I got to take off my compressor, put a new compressor on. So, no, I'm going to take the belt off, drive with no power steering until I could start to work on it, I guess. Go to AutoZone and try to show them this video. So anyway, alright, thanks a lot. Okay, alright, bye.